Hey guys, today, let's learn how to back up our WhatsApp chat history. All I need to do, guys, is to head on over onto your WhatsApp, so it should be right here. And I want you guys to log in into your accounts, of course. And then once you are actually here, over to the settings of the chat. And currently, it's not really here at the moment because all you need to do is to search it over here on chats right there. So click on chats. And then here you have the option to actually back up your chat. Of course, if you want to back up your chat history, click on Chat Backup and click on Backup. Now it's automatically going to back up your chat history onto the iCloud of your iPhone. So this is pretty good because if you do want to switch phones, you could easily record and take all of your chat history from this phone, move it to the other phone, and then see them all over there. Okay, guys, that is how you back up your chat history on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next